Hello, hello, my beautiful people. Coach Gabby here, and I have an all-standing, full body stretch. This is great to do in the mornings, in the middle of your day, before you go to bed, whatever it is. So important to stretch your muscles, maintain flexibility, range of motion, stability, all that good stuff. So let's get into it. So we will be doing 3 rounds, 3 sets. The first one where I talk you through what we're doing as I do it with you, and then set number 2 and 3, zip it. We just go straight through. So starting with our first exercise, wide stance, toes out. All right, we're gonna come down, up, and then back down. So this is an up and around bounce. All right, your hands go up and around and then back. All right, 30 seconds on the clock, and let's go. Now, I want your knees to go outwards here, all right? Make sure they're not coming forwards, all right? Outwards. So when your hands come down, they shouldn't hit your knees. They're right in front of your knees. Big stretch up, all the way extension, very good. And then coming back down. Big breath in and release. In when your hands go up, and exhale when they come back down. Very good, up and around, bounce. Very good. Big breath. Awesome job, all right? And 3, 2, 1, and come down. Very good, shake out. Next, we have a side reach, all right? So overhead, all the way to the side, coming back down, and then the other side. All right, 30 seconds. Let's go, all right? So here, remember to keep your rib cage zipped, all right? No open rib cages. So instead of this, you know, we're boom, locking it in, tucking that tummy, tucking that butt. Nice square torso, very good. Breathing, really stretching over, all right? So you feel a nice stretch here in your obliques, your side, and then coming back down. Reach out, over, around, all right? So not just, you know, bleh, 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 no, over, all right, over. Very good. It's gonna help you elongate and feel a better stretch. And 3, 2, 1, and down. Very good. Shake it out. Next, we have hip openers, all right? Knee comes up, forward, out, and back down. Up, around, down. All right, 30 seconds. Let's go. So up, around, over. Very good. Boom. Nice circular motion here. Very good. And if you need to hold on to a wall or a chair for stability, that's fine. All right, really opening up those hips. Nice straight posture. Your shoulders are pushed away from your ears. Very good. Breathing. Awesome job. Very good. Up and around. Really opening up those hips. This is great. Taking care of your hips and stretching your hips will also help with lower back pain, sciatica, help you sleep better, all these great things. And 3, 2, 1, and shake it out. Very good. Next, we have stationary side lunges. So nice, big, wide stance. Toes are facing forward. All right, bend one at a time. Come over there, and then the other side. All right, 30 seconds. Let's go. So bending, and it's bending to one side, and it's only normal to bend forward a little bit. Just make sure you have a nice straight back here, all right? We're not hunched over, nice straight back. All right, keep your chest up, your chin up, that'll help. Very good. Avoid arching as well. Awesome job. Really enjoying that stretch here in your thighs, your inner thighs, your hips. Very good. Breathing, and 3, 2, 1, and come up. Very good. Last but certainly not least, we have a hip hinge to a mini back bend. So hands behind your head. You're gonna come straight back. All right, nice little hip hinge. Then come up and a little back bend here. All right, so forward, straight back, up, and then a little back bend. All right, if that's too much for you, or you just don't like how it's put together, it's very similar to a good morning. So you could do a good morning instead, which is all the way open and then coming through your legs like so. All right, 2 variations for you. Go ahead and choose which one's best for you. 30 seconds, and let's go. All right, so nice little bend here, straight back. My knees are bent Don't lock those knees. Make sure you have a nice bend. All right, and a mini back bend here. All right, you don't want to go, too much. You don't want to hurt your back. All right, and if that is too much, if the bend is too much for you, go ahead and just, close here and open here. All right, so you can go here and then close and open. All right, so many different variations. And 3, 2, 1, and shake it out. There we have it, set 1 of your full body standing stretch routine. Take a second, grab some water, and we're gonna do it again.
If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell to receive notifications for our latest videos. We have tons of content from workouts to recipes, updated daily.
Alrighty, set number 2, you know what to do, so I sip it, we just go straight through the routine. All right, take your time, work through the motions, breathe. All right, good posture. You got this, starting with our up and around bounce. Big breath, and let's go. And 3, 2, 1, and shake it out. Very good. Side reaches. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1, very good, shake it out. Moving on to hip openers, big breath, let's go. And 3, 2, 1, very good, shake it out. And stationary side lunges, big breath, let's go. And 3, 2, 1, up, very good, shake it out. And finishing strong with a hip hinge to mini back bend. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1, and come down. Very good. There we have it. 2 sets done. Take a second, grab water, and we're going for set number 3.
Before we continue, quick shout out to the sponsor of today's workout, One and Done.
You may have stumbled upon this super fit famous trainer while scrolling online, talking about these no running 7-minute workouts. Ever wondered if you could achieve her sculpted physique even after 40 like she says? Well, I looked her up and she's a certified fitness and nutrition coach. So I tried doing what she says and it all really works. This trainer, Meredith, is a certified genius.
And 3, 2, 1, and shake it out. Very good. Side reaches. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1, very good. Shake it out. Moving on to hip openers. Big breath. Let's go. Three, 2, 1, very good. Shake it out. And stationary side lunges. Big breath. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1, up, very good. Shake it out. And finishing strong with a hip hinge to mini back bend. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1, and come down. Very good. Alrighty, and that was it. 3 sets of your full body stretch, all standing exercises. I hope you liked it. Let me know in the comments below. Also, little announcement, we are gonna be doing a 10-day belly challenge, all right? 10-day challenge for the core, starting June 20th, the first day of summer. It's gonna be awesome right here on our YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe, click the bell that notifies you when we post so you don't miss out on anything. All right, I hope to see you there.